Have you ever felt like your money disappears the moment it hits your account? You work hard, you get paid, and then it's gone. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. In our last video, you learned how to analyze stocks like a pro. But before you can invest with confidence, there's something even more important: mastering how to manage the money you already have. Because if you can't control your cash flow, you'll never build real wealth, no matter how good your stock picks are. Today, I'm going to share a powerful system that's so simple, it fits into 3 invisible boxes. It's helped thousands take back control of their money, and it can help you too. And if you stay with me until the end, I'll give you a free tool that makes this system even easier to apply. Ready? Let's open the first box. If saving money feels impossible, it's not your fault, and you're definitely not alone. In fact, over 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, and more than half have less than $1,000 in savings. It's not just about how much you make, it's about what you do with it. Most people don't follow a structure. They pay bills, spend what's left, and hope it works out. But hope is not a strategy. Without a plan, money slips through your fingers. You feel like you're constantly trying to catch up, and that constant pressure leads to stress, debt, and frustration. Sound familiar? You're not broken. Your system is. The truth is, we were never taught how to manage our money. Schools didn't teach it. Most parents didn't know how either. So we wing it. And that's exactly why you need a framework. Something simple, something visual, something you can stick to. Because once you see how this system works, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So what's the solution? It's something I call the rule of 3 boxes. Imagine that every time you get paid, your money gets split evenly into 3 invisible containers, each one with a specific job. Box 1 is for living. This covers your rent, groceries, bills, transportation, the essentials. Box 2 is for growing, your savings, investments, emergency fund, anything that builds your future. And Box 3 is for living better. Yes, this includes fun dining out, hobbies, travel, or even learning new skills. Each box gets 1/3 of your income. It's simple, visual, and, most importantly, balanced. This method gives you permission to enjoy your money now, while still protecting your future and covering your needs. No more guilt about spending, no more confusion about where your money went. And the best part? It works whether you make $500 or $5,000 a month. The principle stays the same. You're probably wondering, does this really work if I'm already living paycheck to paycheck? That's a great question, and we're going to tackle it. But before we do, let's talk about why this system works so well, even when others fail. What makes it stick when other budgets fall apart? The answer might surprise you. So, why does the rule of 3 boxes actually work, when so many other budget plans don't? The answer is simple. Your brain loves simplicity. Most people fail with money not because they lack discipline, but because their systems are too complicated. Traditional budgets have dozens of categories, spreadsheets, and rules. It's overwhelming, and when it feels like too much, we quit. But this system, it gives you structure without the stress. It uses visual segmentation to create mental clarity. You know exactly where your money is going and why. Even better, it's flexible. Life changes. In some months, you may need more in Box 1. In others, you can boost Box 2. That's the beauty. It adapts without falling apart. And it works no matter your income level. Whether you're a college student or a 6-figure earner, these boxes keep you grounded. Up next, I'll show you exactly how this plays out in real life, with concrete examples for different incomes, and how you can adjust it for your own lifestyle. Let's make this real. You're about to see exactly how the 3 boxes work in everyday life, no matter how much you earn. Let's start with someone making $3,000 a month. Using the rule of 3, they'd allocate $1,000 to box 1 for living expenses, rent, groceries, bills. Box 2 gets $1,000 for savings and investments, maybe $600 to a Roth IRA and $400 to an emergency fund. Box 3? That's $1,000 guilt-free for fun, dining out, weekend getaways, maybe online courses to level up skills. Now let's say someone makes $1,500 a month. The same rule applies, but in a scaled-down way. $500 goes to essentials. Maybe they live with roommates or family. Another $500 goes toward building savings, perhaps $300 to a rainy day fund and $200 into a micro-investing app. The final $500 is for enjoyment, movies, a gym membership, or treating themselves occasionally. The point isn't perfection, it's intentionality. Even if you can't split things perfectly now, the framework helps you stay balanced and focused. It's not about restriction, it's about alignment. In a moment, I'll give you a free spreadsheet that does this math for you automatically. But before that, let's talk about how to take this method even further, with automation, goals, and habits that lock it into your lifestyle. You've seen how simple this method is, but now let's take it to the next level. The real magic happens when you combine the 3 boxes with clear goals, automation, and consistency. Start by setting targets for each box. In box 2, maybe your goal is to save $5,000 for an emergency fund or invest $200 a month in index funds. In box 3, maybe it's a dream trip or a new course that expands your skills. Next, automate everything. Use your bank app to set up transfers the moment your paycheck arrives. Divide it into 3 different accounts or digital buckets. This removes the temptation to overspend and makes the habit stick. Finally, create routines around money check-ins. 10 minutes a week to review your boxes can change your entire financial trajectory. This system doesn't just organize your money, it reshapes your mindset. And as promised, in just a moment, I'll show you how to download a free tool that makes this process even easier, so don't go anywhere. You made it, and now it's time for your reward. I've created a free spreadsheet that instantly applies the rule of 3 boxes to your own income. Just plug in your numbers, and it calculates everything for you, automatically. You can download it using the link in the description below. If you're serious about taking control of your money, this is your next step. And remember, you're not alone in this. This channel is a space for people who want more out of their money, their time, and their life. So subscribe now and turn on notifications, because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to start multiplying what you've saved, using simple, low-risk investment strategies that anyone can understand. It's time to make your money work as hard as you do. You've taken the first step. Now let's build on it, together.